Hello everyone, my name is Yao Wu. Today I'm going to present my senior design project, Recommend News. According to a survey in the United States, there are 40% of people who are reading the news, and mostly aged from 20 to 30 are using mobile device to read the news. However, there might be a problem. According to an article on New York Times, there are only 48% of people who do not click to read the content, and there are 35% people who do not scroll, and 22% people who only using news app less than 1 minute. I want to find a solution. I search a news app on Apple Store and Google Play. There are 85% of news app are showing like the screenshot on the slides. They are posting everyday hot news to you, but not based on your personal interest. So I decided my senior design is to focus this part to give the users the news they really want. So let me introduce the process for Recommend News. So when users log in, so first things my application going to do is to learn the interest from user, and you will search news based on the interest and try to find the related topics for users. It shows a user's mobile friendly interface and keep updating users profile and learn users interest again when user click any news. Finally, it goes to a loop. As I said, the main focus for Recommend News is to give users the news they really want. Let's take an example of myself. I care a lot about my local environment. Also, I want to read the news about sports and technology. So let's see the keywords happen to me. I have 3 initial keywords, which are Apple, GW, and sports. Then the more you read, the more keywords you got. Sometimes you will get some keywords related to your topics, or even 2 of your initial keywords. So Recommend News is based on this algorithm to give the users the news they really want. You can log in to Facebook, then you can see 3 initial keywords you got. This is past informations. And you can click the enter new keywords to type the keywords if you want. And for this time I get the Apple Watch, and you can select to the right to delete any keywords. If you go to the article sections, and you can see all the news lists. That's the Google News API I use to get the news from the Google server. And you can delete the keywords, and you can load more button to get more news. And for example, if you are interested in one of the new news, and you can click it, and you will see a mobile friendly interface. That's the Instapaper I use. And there's also an API called Alchemy will run on the background to analyze the related keywords according to article you read. And as you can see, if you go to the manage section, you can see the new keywords for this time is textile museum for this example. However, there might be a problem again. Everyone have different preference toward each topics. For me, I really want to read more news about local environments than sports news, and so I designed these special rules. If you click one of the articles, you will get 3 points. If you read the news for 3 minutes, you will get 5 points. That's how the way I give a weight to each keywords to show how important the keyword is. And see for GW, the keyword weight number for GW is higher than the weight number for Google. Then 2 of the news from GW and 1 of the news from Google are showing for the users for the first round. Also, the 2 of the news for the GW and 1 of the news for the Google are showing for the second round. Then the rest 2 news are showing to the users for the final rounds. So let's go to a demo again. For this time, as you can see, every keywords now have a weight number to represent. If you type a new keywords, and you can see the weight number for this new keyword is 0. And if you go to article section, all the news are ranked according to the weight number it has. And if you click one of the news, and the first one on the on the backgrounds, it will automatically add 3 points because you read this article. And also you can see you must love the news related to Angel because you read the news for a few seconds for this demo, and it will automatically count, and since you love this article. And as you can see from this keyword Angel, now is have 8 points, which add 5 points and 3 points. I believe recommend news will help users to identify the topics and learn interest from users, and also it will keep updating the profile for users. Thank you.